Hello my dear craftswomen, welcome to our channel ScaraBeads. My name is Galina Cheremisina and today we are going to weave stylish design named Arc, which could be either earrings or a pendant. For this project we will need round seed beads size 11, SuperDuo beads, round beads 4mm diameter, dragon beads, this one like a diamond scales, Arcos Puca beads, arcs with 3 holes, findings, 2 needles, scissors, pliers, fire line or fisher line. Today I will use black fire line to complement dark beads. All materials you can purchase on our website ScaraBeads.Club. Let's take about 1 meter of fire line. String both ends of the thread into the needles. We are going to work with them simultaneously, according to the parallel beading principle. We start weaving from top down. String 6 seed beads and 1 SuperDuo bead onto one needle, and then with the second needle go through the whole combination towards the first needle and once more into SuperDuo bead. We are getting such a ring with the bead. Tight it carefully and put the ring into the middle of the thread. Now pick up 3 dragon beads and go through the second hole of SuperDuo bead. Then, with the second needle, pick up the same beads and go in opposite direction towards the first needle. As the next step, string 5 seed beads and Arcos Puca from convex to concave side. With the second needle we repeat the sequence. 5 seed beads and Arcos. Then we go through the same hole of the first Arcos Puca bead from concave side to convex with the second needle. With the first needle we do the same. Pull tight. Now, Arcos beads are arranged in the circle. Pick up 2 seed beads and go through the middle hole of the nearest Arcos. Add 1 bead and go through the middle hole of the second Arcos. We progress likewise with the second needle. String 2 seed beads, go through the middle hole of the nearest Arcos, then through bead and through the middle hole of opposite Arcos. As the next step, string 4 dragon beads, go through the third hole of Arcos, add 2 SuperDuo beads and into the third hole of opposite Arcos. With the second needle we go towards 4 dragon, Arcos, SuperDuo, Arcos. Now we need to return to the Arcos' middle holes. Go upwards with the first needle through the already strong dragon beads, go once more through the middle hole, then through the central bead, and go down through the dragon bead. Likewise, we do with the second needle. This circle we need to do in order to get right direction of the thread so that the line of the wing will be smooth. Pick up 4 more dragon beads and go into still 3 bottom hole of the nearest SuperDuo bead. Add the third SuperDuo and go out from the opposite SuperDuo. With the second needle do likewise. String 4 dragon beads, go through 3 SuperDuo, pull beading tight. String by 2 seed beads and go through the bottom hole of the third SuperDuo with needles towards each other. At this moment it is very important to pull tight weaving so seed beads will be close to each other. Now we continue with any of the needle. Pick up 4 seed beads. 5 dragon beads. One seed bead, 1 round bead, 1 seed bead, and return upwards through the round bead and 1 seed bead. Pull tight so the seed bead on the tip will stand vertical and straight. String symmetrically 5 dragon beads. Go through already strong 2 seed beads. Pick up 2 new seed beads and go through the bottom hole of the bottom SuperDuo in opposite direction. We finished the weaving. Fix both ends in a usual way. I have prepared 2 elements named hook. I'm going to do earrings from that. Open earring hook, attach it to the top hook's ring. Close the hook. Hook will look great as well like pendant or brooch. Try to do it yourself. Choose your own color combinations. Create new sets by using this technique. A wide range of amazing beads and seed beads you will always find in our website ScaraBeads.com. Get inspired and see you soon on our channel.